Hello guys. So this is Nyambua Jane and this is Nyambua Jane Lifestyle Channel. So hapa Kasola nika hot, like the sun is very hot. So niko side za Odhaya. I'm just taking my walk but naenda Kiriaini though si sahi. I'll be going after this. So guys, I know I look maybe happy, but trust me, I'm not happy. I'm feeling a little bit disgusted, like na feel too vibaya. I'm not in the mood. Like hivyo tu, like I don't know my ladies, ama yeah, whoever is watching this video, ushai approachiwa na a man, in a way that you feel, ama you felt, this wasn't decent, like una feel too insulted, like the way this guy has brought out ama venye amereveal intentions zake, it's not good, si poa. So yesterday, sijui ni yesterday ama niite lini, nimepatana na such a situation kama hiyo. Yeah, a man anakuja tu ana approaching you, anakuuliza sijui can we be friends with benefits, sijui what is the meaning of that? I felt really insulted. I don't know what to say about this. Yeah, because I don't feel it's right. So guys, I'm headed home. So guys, remember to follow my subscribe to my channel. Yeah guys, let's grow together. And also guys, let's talk. Niambie hapo kwa comment section, have you ever been approached by a guy in a way that you felt this is disgusting, you felt like you have been insulted? What were you told? Unajua kuna watu tu ajui kuongelesha madem, ama he talks to women like they are just objects or something like that. I don't know, like mbona mwambie mtu hivyo? I know there are ladies who do that. They do this thing of friends with benefits, but even though kuna venye tu ufai kuongelesha mtu. Yeah, so hebu niambie, if you are in that position, what will you have done? Like mtu anakuja tu, man, you really need to change, pull up your socks man. Kwani what happened? Hapo kitambo things weren't like this. Watu walikuwa wanaapproachiwa na heshima, but nowadays unapata tu mtu anakuja anakwambia hivi and even they don't care. Like unaweza pata mtu anakuapproach, he wants you two to be an item, but huyo mtu ako engaged or he is even married. Unapata mtu ako na baby mama sijui wangapi, wanamtembeleanga, kuna wakufua, kuna wakufanya nini, then he still wants to kuongezea mwingine. Like man, what do you want? Kwani what happened? Guys, this is not how things used to go. I know mimi sikuwa hapo zamani, but no, things shouldn't go in that way. Like mambo yamechange tu sana. I don't know whether ni generation yetu, generation yenye tuko, ama what happened. Like you just feel you can do anything that you want. You can just approach someone the way you want. Why? I felt bad. So guys, today, this is on a weekend, as I told you earlier. Yeah, weekend mi upenda tu take my walks, go around, know the place, sijaka hapa sana. I have like this is my second month here. Yeah, I'm still trying to get to know the place, because most of the times me who were occupied. Yeah, and the time that nimekuwa free ndo natembeanga hapa, so I want to go take a few steps, then tuende Kiriaini. In the next video naweza wekea hiyo trip ya kwenda Kiriaini, the journey if I will get the time, naweza enda nipatane, nikuwe na shughuli mob, nisahau kuwaekea, but trust me, oh sorry, I will give you a video ya trip yangu kwenda Kiriaini. So guys, we've been talking about your stuff ya kuwa approached in a way that you feel it's not decent, ama you feel like you've been insulted. So tukasema, just tell us in the comment section, have you ever been approached by a guy in a way that you felt huyu mtu aende akasomeshwe kuongelesha madem, ama just tell us, have you ever been in such a situation hadi ukafeel this guy or this man, that's enough. So tuambie. So guys, nimekaribia kufika kwangu, that's all I had, but nitawaupdate tu nikienda Kiriaini. I will tell you all the stuff, and guys, please be watching. Be watching. So nitakuwa nawaletea ma pranks, just drop on the comment section, niambie ni the kind of content you would want me to be bringing for you, my people. So what else, guys? Yes, and guys, by the way, nitaanza kuja live. I will be coming live. So that is it. I'm ending this video by telling you people, guys, or our bros, please always be mindful when approaching a lady. These souls are delicate, so be mindful. Unaweza sema kitu ikunyime chances za kuwa na yeye even in future. So let's always be mindful of what we are doing. Hata ladies, ukikataa mtu, you don't need to insult them. You don't need to. Just a no, it's enough. Na wewe ukiambiwa a no, take it as a no. Wacha uchukue hiyo opportunity kama ya kurain insults, what and all that stuff. So guys, this is the shortcut of going to my place. Tunapitianga huku, at the time I don't want to follow the long path. So guys, let's meet in our next video. Remember to like, share, comment, and also subscribe, and also recommend our channel to your friends, your relatives, and anyone you think atapenda our content. So guys, goodbye.